Hello and welcome. In this video, we will discuss how to delegate tasks effectively for maximum efficiency. Delegating tasks is an essential skill for any leader or manager who wants to improve team productivity. By delegating tasks effectively, you can ensure that your team members are working on tasks that align with their strengths and expertise, which will ultimately lead to better results. So, let's get started. Step 1. Identify the right tasks to delegate. The first step in delegating tasks effectively is to identify the right tasks to delegate. Not all tasks can or should be delegated. It is important to evaluate each task and determine whether it can be effectively delegated to someone else. Tasks that are routine, administrative, or can be done by someone else on the team are good candidates for delegation. Step 2. Choose the right person for the task. Once you have identified the right tasks to delegate, the next step is to choose the right person for the task. Consider the strengths and weaknesses of each team member, and assign the task to the person who is best suited to handle it. This will ensure that the task is completed efficiently and effectively. Step 3. Clearly communicate expectations. To ensure that the person you are delegating the task to understands what is expected of them, it is important to clearly communicate expectations. This includes the deadline, the quality of work expected, and any other relevant details. Make sure that the person has a clear understanding of what they need to do and how they need to do it. Step 4. Provide the necessary resources. To complete the task effectively, the person you are delegating the task to needs to have the necessary resources. This includes access to information, tools, and support. Make sure that the person has everything they need to complete the task successfully. Step 5. Monitor progress. Check in regularly to monitor progress and provide feedback. This will help ensure that the task is completed on time and to the required standard. You can provide guidance and support as needed to ensure that the person is on track to complete the task successfully. Step 6. Empower the person. Trust the person you have delegated the task to and empower them to make decisions and take ownership of the task. This will help build their confidence and improve their performance. When you empower your team members, they are more likely to take ownership of their work and deliver better results. Step 7. Recognize and reward good performance. When the task is completed successfully, recognize and reward the person for their good performance. This will help motivate them to continue performing at a high level and encourage others to do the same. Recognition and rewards can be in the form of verbal praise, bonuses, or promotions. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can delegate tasks effectively and maximize efficiency within your team. Remember to identify the right tasks to delegate, choose the right person for the task, clearly communicate expectations, provide necessary resources, monitor progress, empower the person, and recognize and reward good performance. With these tips, you can become a more effective delegator and improve the productivity of your team. Thank you for watching.